We're going to take a quick tour of the machine and all the basic components. The heart and soul is the Rota-Load. You've seen earlier how bulk bags just flip into this thing. These are the air cylinders that open the hooks. I'll hit the manual button on them so you can see those. They open and close. Definitely a pinching hazard. Don't put your hand in here when it's operating. Bearings that hold the Rota-Load up. You can see that this is the ring that they ride on. Very secure, very stout. Your bag's never going to fall off of there. This is the control that fills and inflates the inflation boot for holding the top hats or the bag spout on. The regulator to control that is right here. 5 psi maximum on that. Keep it low, lasts a long time. This is the rack and pinion that drives the machine up and down. There are 4, 1 on each corner. Definitely a hazard. Do not put your hand in here. It's a grinder. These are mechanical stops to keep the fill head from actually falling off in the event of some disaster. There's a brake motor on it. We'll show you in a moment. You should never need these. It should never come against them because these are the electric stops that prevent the fill head from driving into the mechanical stops. They should always be adjusted so that these mechanical stops are not contacted by the fill head. Air lines running to the top to control the valves, fill head, and hooks. You can see the slinky there that is the dust tight connection so that when the fill head goes up and down, it doesn't let any of your material escape. While we're pointing up there, you can see the slide gate. The air box has the lid open right now. It has all the solenoids in it that function the slide gate, opening and closing that, the opening of the hooks, and the inflation of the boot for the top heads. As we come down to the bottom, these are the location of the load cells. There are 4, 1 on each corner. These are the adjusting bolts that hold the machine together. There's a separate video on the adjustment of these. It's very critical. The only thing that's really sensitive on this whole machine are these load cells. Treat them with care. Be sure you watch the video on load cells. Let's move around to the other side of the machine.